Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Swasto, and welcome back to your channel. So, guys, today in this video, show that how can you run the Archlinux on Android phone and using the Termex app. So, basically, you can install any of your personal tool, any coding tool, and this is the KDA desktop. So, you will get a very beautiful theme. You can just customize it as according to your need, and you can also have audio support in this Archlinux. So, you can basically play any of your movies or anything, and you can install any of your coding tool. So the process is pretty simple. You have to just follow along with me. And I will also like to thanks to GX Sam YouTube channel. You can just simply check it out in the description and just show support to him. He also doing a very great job in this line of videos. Okay. So let's start this video and see how we can install the Arch Linux with the KDE Plasma desktop on Android phone without the root. So let's start the video without wasting any more time. So here you can see, guys, the download and the installation of Termux is completed. Now click on the Termux app. It will open something like this. Now what you have to do is simply have to update it. So simply type your apt space update and hit enter. Now type your apt space upgrade. Okay, apt space upgrade and hit enter. Click on Y and hit enter. Now type here Y and hit enter. Type here Y again and hit enter. Type Y again and hit enter. Now here you can see the upgrade process completed. Now you have to install the proot-distro. So just type here apt space install proot hyphen distro. Okay, just type your apt space install proot-distro and hit enter. Type your Y and hit enter. Now type here proot hyphen distro install arch linux. So just type here proot hyphen distro space install space arch linux and hit enter. Okay, so you can see the download process installation is completed. Now what you have to do, you have to type your command distro login arch linux hyphen bind /dep null proc is kernel cap underscore last cap underscore cap. So I will also give the link to a web tutorial for this. So if you're having any issue typing the command, you can directly copy and paste it to the termux from there. Okay, so don't forget to go to the www.geekydrive.com. Okay, so now let's hit enter. So it's done. Now here you can see when we run a command uname hyphen a, so this comes as an output. So what we need to do, we need to first of all run this command, which is the pacman hyphen Syuu and hit enter. Now it will ask to proceed with the installation. Just type here Y and hit enter. Okay, so it's going to some time. It's going to take some time. So just wait here. So here you can see guys the all the step is completed. Basically it was to update and upgrade the packages of the Arch Linux. So what you have to do now, you have to run a command which is pacman space hyphen capital S, install a package named nano, and then sudo and a package neofetch. Okay, just type this command and hit enter. So all the required commands will be given in the description, so don't worry, you can directly copy and paste from there. Hit enter. Now type here y and hit enter. So here you can see the installation is completed. Now type here command neofetch to see all the details of the Arch Linux. You can see. So right now you're on the terminal of Arch Linux, and here you can see the device host name and kernel and the cell, which is the base cell, and the processor, which is the Snapdragon 845, and the amount of RAM that it has. Okay, now just type your command sudo pacman hyphen capital S plasma desktop. So basically we are installing the plasma desktop hyphen desktop. Okay, and hit enter. Type here 6, hit enter. Type here 1, hit enter, and now hit enter here. Type here y and hit enter. So you can see it started the download process. Just let the download process to complete it. So wait here. So here you can see guys the download process completed. Now it is on the last stage of installation, and it is taking a lot of time, and I put it my phone for around 1 hour, and still it's doing the installation part. So just wait here, just make sure that you have a plenty much of time. Just put your phone somewhere and just do your work and let the process to complete, and come back after a hour, then this will be completed. Okay, so right now you can see it's finalizing the installation. Now it's done. So after the completion of this one, what you have to do, you have to run command which is, so just type here sudo pacman hyphen capital S firefox and space dolphin console kde-plasma-addons and kde-gtk-config. Now hit enter. So it will take little time to download, so just wait here. Now type here y and hit enter. So it's also going to take a lot of time, so just wait here and let the process to complete. So here you can see guys, the download installation of that package is completed. So after the completion of that installation, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you create a new session by swiping from left and click on the new session, and you have to make sure that you install some packages in the termex. So the first package is the pulseaudio, to make sure that you have the support for the audio inside the Arch Linux. So simply type apt install pulseaudio. Okay, and hit enter. Type here y and hit enter. So just install this package in the new session of the termex. Okay, just wait here, and here you can see the pulseaudio is installed. Now you have to install the next packages, which are the, so just type here apt install x11 repo and apt install tigervnc xorg-xhost and hit enter. Type here y and hit enter. So let the download process to complete. Just wait here. So here you can see after the download process will complete it, just type your command vnc server hyphen geometry two two 90 x 1080 hyphen listen tcp colon exclamatory sign, and now hit enter. So it will ask you to give a password to your desktop. Just give any password. So I'm going to give you a password YouTube and hit enter. Type the password again and hit enter. Type here and hit enter. Okay. So at the end, you have to give a one, not exclamatory sign. By mistake, I given the exclamatory sign. Just at the end, give the value one and hit enter. So you can see. So new local host is created. Now what you have to do, you have to give a command here display equal to semicolon 1 x host plus and hit enter. Okay, now it's done. Just make sure that all the commands will be given in the description, so don't worry. Just copy and paste from there. I'm just showing you to just make sure that you understand everything. Now go back to the session where we logged into the Archlinux, the earlier session. So in the previous section, just open that previous section and type your command export space pulse underscore server is equal to 127.0.1 and hit enter. Okay, and in the next command just type here display is equal to colon 1 dbus hyphen launch plasma underscore session. Okay, and then hit enter. So meanwhile it's setting up, just to go back to your home page, open the Play Store and search here for the VNC Viewer. Okay, install it and open the VNC Viewer. Click on next, get started and click on this plus sign. Now give here the address 127.0.01 semicolon 1 next, and give here the name arc linux done. Okay, now just simply click on the connect, click on OK and give the password that you earlier given while installing the VNC server. Mine was YouTube. Make sure that you type the password that you given. Now click on the skip and now you're inside. Now type the password for the root, which is basically root itself. So the password for root user is the root, and either you can create your own user and just add a user add and just keep the new password as according to your need. So what you have to do, just set a few things here. Just go to the start menu, go to the setting and go to the system setting and select a theme to be dark theme. You can basically customize your Archlinux as you need, like whatever the way you like it, you can just change it. Let me click on the apply, and now I change the theme. So it may be possible that for you it the wallpaper and everything will look normal, but in my case it's looking something like this, and it will take some time to set up everything, so that's why it's showing something like this. But after this some time it will be okay, so don't worry. Let me open the Firefox, click on the get started, click on not now, click on not now, click on start browsing. Okay, so now you can see the wallpaper is changed, everything is now okay. The reason is, as I told you earlier, it will take some time to set up, and after few minutes it will be okay like this. You can see it's working now normally, and every color is showing here like a normal PC. So just wait for a while and it will be okay. Let me open any website. You can see, let me click on the YouTube. Okay, so you can see the internet is working. And if you want to set up the audio, so as I told you earlier in my previous videos that how to set up the pulse audio in the Firefox, just watch that one. And if you have any issues, simply just to go to the my blog link, you will find the full detail. Okay, so that's all guys for this video. I hope you like it. So this is the full Arch Linux desktop on your smartphone, and you can easily use it for any purpose. Okay, so just install your coding tools or your project tools, anything, just use it, and you will have a full functional Arch Linux on your Android phone along with the Android OS. Okay, so that's all guys for this video. I hope you like it, and if you're new to our channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon. So have a good day, good luck, and bye, take care.